What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe? Scientists call it the cosmic horizon, the point where our vision stops. But beyond this boundary, worlds and forces may exist that we cannot even imagine. And it is there that the most thrilling hypotheses of modern science are born. Space is not empty as it may seem. It is filled with invisible forces, dark matter and dark energy. They make up more than 95% of the universe, yet their nature remains a mystery. It reminds us that the most important things are hidden from sight. Beyond the galaxies lie colossal voids, cosmic wastelands. These are regions where there are almost no stars or planets. Scientists believe that within them we can trace the echoes of the earliest processes. In these silent expanses lies the story of the universe's birth. But even in the void, a force acts, gravity. It binds galaxies into giant threads, like a cosmic web. This structure stretches across billions of light years, and we are only beginning to grasp its true scale. Some scientists suggest that beyond the visible universe, others may exist. This is the theory of the multiverse. Each of them could have its own laws of physics and even different forms of life. We may be just one story among an infinite number. If the multiverse exists, where are the boundaries between these worlds? Some hypotheses suggest thin membranes that may touch each other. When such worlds collide, new universes could be born. This opens up the thrilling possibility of infinite cosmos. Beyond the cosmos may lie a force we call time. Some physicists believe time is not just a flow, but a dimension. If so, we can imagine infinite timelines, each with its own story. We exist on just one of them. But if time is a dimension, can it be crossed? Theoretically, the warping of space-time allows such possibilities. Black holes and wormholes may act as portals. Yet for now, it remains a hypothesis filled with mysteries and dangers. Scientists are certain the cosmos holds even more mysteries than we imagine. Every discovery raises new questions. What lies beyond the edge of our understanding? And are we ready to look there one day? The mysterious forces beyond space may hold the key to our future. They might explain where we came from and where the universe is heading. Each new piece of knowledge opens the door to even greater discoveries. And perhaps, beyond the cosmos, lies the answer to humanity's greatest question. Black holes are the most mysterious objects in space. They bend space and time so strongly that nothing can escape. Some scientists believe they may hide gateways to other worlds. But the truth still lies beyond the event horizon. Wormholes are another enigma of the universe. They could connect distant points in space and time. A journey through such a tunnel could cut billions of years. But for now, it remains a theory unproven by experiments. Dark energy is the invisible force tearing the universe apart. It accelerates its expansion, like an unseen hand. Without it, the cosmos would look entirely different. Yet we still do not understand what this energy is, or where it comes from. If dark energy keeps growing stronger, the future of the universe may be tragic. Scientists call this the Big Rip scenario. Everything, from galaxies to atoms, would be torn apart. It is one of the darkest hypotheses about the end of existence. But not all scenarios are so grim. Some theories speak of a big crunch. After expansion, the universe may collapse back into a single point, and then it could all begin again, with a new Big Bang. There are other hypotheses, for example, the Big Freeze. In this scenario, the universe expands forever. Stars fade out, galaxies drift apart, and space becomes cold and empty. It is a slow but inevitable death of all existence. But what if our cosmos is just part of a vast cycle? Some worlds die so that new ones can be born. Each cycle holds its own mysteries and forces. And perhaps we are just a moment in an endless chain of worlds. Scientists explore the cosmos using telescopes, satellites, and particle accelerators. Each new observation brings us closer to understanding. But the more we learn, the more questions arise. The universe seems to deliberately guard its secrets. In the depths of space may exist forces we cannot yet imagine. Energies powerful enough to create new worlds. Laws that shatter our familiar understanding of physics. This is a realm where imagination meets science. We stand at the edge of knowledge, ready to step into the unknown. Every look through a telescope is a window to the future. Beyond the cosmos await answers humanity has sought for millennia, and only courage will lead us to the truth. Beyond the cosmos may lie what we call the first cause. Some scientists suggest the existence of a primal source of energy. It could have given rise to all the laws and constants of the universe, and perhaps it holds the key to understanding all existence. Some philosophers compare the cosmos to a living organism. Galaxies are like cells, and dark energy is like blood flowing through its veins. This idea makes us wonder, could the universe itself be alive? And if so, what role does humanity play within it? Scientists search for answers through quantum physics. On the microscopic level, the laws of nature behave strangely. Particles can exist in two places at once and vanish into nothing. Perhaps in the quantum world lies the key to understanding the cosmos' mysterious forces. Some hypotheses suggest human consciousness may be linked to the cosmos. Our mind seems like a reflection of the universe. We are part of it, and it is part of us. Perhaps consciousness itself will become the bridge between science and mystery. Looking beyond the cosmos, we seek not only answers but meaning. These mysteries remind us that humanity is part of something vast. Each new discovery is a step toward understanding our place in the infinite. And perhaps it is this mystery that makes our journey endlessly precious. Every telescope launched into space is a window into the unknown. Instruments like the James Webb allow us to peer almost to the dawn of time. We see light that has traveled billions of years to reach us, and every photon carries the story of the ancient universe. But beyond observable light, much more may be hidden. There are cosmic waves and radiation invisible to the human eye. They may hold secrets of the first seconds after the Big Bang. By studying them, we are listening to the universe's breath. Scientists build complex models to understand how everything works. Computers simulate billions of stars, galaxies, and even black holes. These digital universes help us predict the cosmos' future, and every calculation brings us closer to understanding its mysterious forces. Yet the more we learn, the clearer it becomes. The cosmos may have no boundaries. It may be infinite, in both space and time. This thought is both terrifying and inspiring, for infinity opens the doors to the impossible. Perhaps beyond the cosmos lies what we call eternity, a realm without beginning or end, beyond our familiar concepts, a place where the birth and death of universes are but the breath of infinity. And it is there our gaze turns, filled with hope and curiosity. Humanity has always strived to go beyond the known. We crossed oceans, conquered mountains, and soared into the skies. Now our new frontier is space, and what lies beyond it. This eternal drive makes us explorers. Every rocket launch is a step into the unknown. We send probes to distant planets and beyond the solar system. The Voyager spacecraft have already crossed into interstellar space. They carry with them a message of who we are. But space is not only a place for exploration, it is a mirror in which we see ourselves. Looking at the stars, humans have always asked about the meaning of life, and these questions lead us to discoveries as much as telescopes do. Perhaps beyond the cosmos lies the answer to why we exist. Not just physical laws, but a spiritual truth. Human curiosity is the key that opens these doors, and it is this drive that takes us further and further. Every mystery of the cosmos is a challenge to our mind. We learn to look beyond the horizon and think wider. Beyond space await forces that may change our future, and only we can decide if we are ready to face them. When we look at the cosmos, we see not only stars, we see the past as their light travels for millions of years. Each star is a message from a distant era, and perhaps beyond the cosmos lies time itself. Some theories suggest the existence of parallel worlds. In them, versions of ourselves may live, having made different choices. These ideas sound like fiction, but they are discussed in science, which means beyond space, there may be millions of alternate histories. Beyond the cosmos may lie energy we cannot yet harness. Its power surpasses everything we know. If mastered, humanity could change the fate of worlds. But are we ready for such responsibility? Every discovery of space is a new step in human evolution. We learn to understand the world we live in and the worlds we have yet to see. This knowledge makes us stronger, and perhaps one day it will help us step beyond the universe itself. The cosmos is a challenge thrown to us by infinity itself. It tests our courage, curiosity, and faith in the future. Beyond it lie forces we can only guess at. But it is they that make our journey through the universe so thrilling. Perhaps beyond the cosmos lie not only forces, but also minds. Civilizations that existed billions of years ago, or will emerge in the future. They may live by laws unknown to us. And one day, we may encounter them on our path into infinity. Every signal from the depths of space may be a message from the unknown. Scientists detect radio waves whose origin is still unclear. They come from places where no stars or planets can be seen, and it makes us wonder who or what is sending them. Some scientists say we are only at the first step of understanding the universe. All our knowledge is but a tiny spark in an ocean of darkness. But this spark grows brighter and brighter, and one day it may illuminate the mysteries beyond space. The cosmos has always tested humanity's strength. We dreamed of the stars when we did not even know the will. Now we send probes to other planets and build stations in orbit. And the next step is inevitable, a step beyond the familiar world. Beyond the cosmos may lie not an end, but a beginning. The beginning of new discoveries, new worlds, and new stories. Every generation of humans looks beyond the horizon. And in this quest, we become part of eternity. We realize that space is not only about distance, but also a test of spirit. It demands courage to dream and strength to act. Every flight into the unknown is a victory over fear. And this is how we move forward, step by step. Scientists and philosophers agree on one thing: questions are endless. They outnumber answers. But that is what drives science forward. Every discovery is only a step toward the next. And beyond the cosmos lie the greatest revelations. Perhaps beyond the cosmos lies the answer to the greatest question: why does anything exist at all? We search for it in formulas, theories, and observations. But maybe it is hidden in the very fact of our existence. And that makes the mystery even more fascinating. So, the cosmos is an endless journey. Every step reveals new mysteries and new horizons. We search for forces beyond the cosmos, but we find strength within ourselves. And that strength leads us forward toward an infinite future. We have looked beyond the cosmos and glimpsed the mysterious forces waiting for their time. They may be a threat or salvation, a beginning or an end. But one thing is certain: we will never stop searching for answers. And now the final question is for you. Are you ready to look beyond the horizon of the universe?